Hello friends, welcome to my video on Pandas tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're gonna see about how to work with Excel files. As we all know, Excel is a favorite option to read and write data. So in this tutorial, let's see how to work with Excel files using Pandas and Python. Okay, let's quickly jump onto our practical session. So there are many ways how you can work with excel files like in this video I've used xlsx writer, but there are many other modules like openpy excel, xlrd, so you can use any excel any module of your choice. But in this tutorial we'll see in detail about how to work with xlsx writer. So similar to my previous videos, I have used my friend's data to form a data frame. So in my first data frame, I have used name, age, and location destination of my friends. Again, on data frame 2, I have a few more list, and so on the next step, so I am with the help of Excel writer method, I am trying to write all these. I'm trying to read all the information from a data frame and store it into an Excel file. So by default, I'm using friends.xlx Excel file. So this will be saved in my default location where my program is located, and I'm using XLSX writer. And yeah, if you see the first step, I am dumping the data frame 1 into Excel into sheet 1, and my data frame 2 into sheet 2. Okay, let's quick, and as at final step I'm saving my Excel file. Okay, let's quickly run this and see how it works. Running it. Okay, so my program has run successfully. So now I will go to my location. Yeah, we'll just verify the timestamp. Yeah, this is the latest file which is generated. I am trying to open it. Yeah, if you see, this is the friends list from my data frame 1, which is dumped into sheet 1, and the friends list from data frame 2, which is dumped into sheet 2. Okay, so this is how we work with Excel files. This is a simpler way to use. But if you want, if you want to go to some advanced topics into this particular Excel, like next topic we'll see is about position the data frame. So in real time situation, now we easily dumped the data into sheet 1 and sheet 2, but there are but if you see, the data is very less in sheet 2, but in as a user I do not want to navigate to different sheets to view my details. So how about having the same data in my sheet 1? So in this situation we can use this positioning option. Like if you see here, like we are providing the start call and start column, so it will try to write this data frame 2 from the 7th column. So yeah, just to show the difference between how my data frame 1 and data frame 2 is gonna be in this particular run. I have given the start column and value here, and I have not passed the value over here. Let's quickly run this and see how it works. Okay, so oh, there's some issue. Yeah, I'm getting an error because I opened my friends list. So let me close this. Okay, yeah, now it is run successfully. Let's go and see into my friends sheet. 2114. This is my latest file. Yeah, if you see this, now I have the second data frame in my first sheet itself. So based on the column I have specified over here, based on the column index I have specified, so my data frame 2 is written over here. So this is how we work with positioning the data frames. But now here you have used start column. Like similarly, you can even use start row, and I will start from row 10. Let's close this. Now I will run this. Okay, let's quickly see. 2115 is my latest file. Yeah, so it started from my, so so the index starts from 0, right? So whenever I give my row as start row as 10, it starts from the 11th row. So this is how the positioning of data frame with row number and column number works. Similarly, like there are like a few advanced options, like if you want to ignore the header. Okay, in my data frame 2 I'm ignoring the header equal to false, or else index equal to false. So if you see in my data frame 2, I have my index, I have my header, but there might be situation where you do not want all these details, right? Like index and field names. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm just adding parameters for header and index to be false. So now let's run and see. Okay, again I have my Excel file open. This. Yeah. So I'll open my file. Yeah, if you see now I do not have the index and the header specified here, whereas in my first data frame I have index and the headers. Okay, so this is how you um, work with positioning the data frames in an Excel file. Um, so in this particular program, I have covered about how we dump data into Excel. But there are options like we can read data from Excel also, right? So I'm not gonna show it in this particular program, but I have done this similar operation in my previous video. I will quickly jump onto that program. So if you see my program on handle missing data with pandas. So I've read few friends details from Excel file. Okay, so so this is basically CSV, but this is how it works for a normal Excel file too. Okay, so I'll turn on this. Yeah, so the data now my data is read from CSV files. This is how it works for normal Excel files with .xlsx as well. So you can have a try for how to read an Excel file and how to read data from Excel file and convert into a data frame. So yeah, this is all about today's video. If you have any questions, like post it in the query section, I post it in the comment section, I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you, friends.